Hello, still on project slash tax timeline tracking. I have with me a list of projects with the names and expected end dates for these projects. And I want to track these projects that are here. I want to track these projects that are here and find out if the project has actually ended, whether they are long overdue, or whether the project still have some remaining days left before it ends, or whether they are going to be ending today, which is the day of the video. Okay, if you can look at this Excel sheet, I have with me some projects that I have their names. Example of them is dashboard creation that is supposed to be ending. That's the expected end date by 20th of November 2024. That's 2011-2024. Office t-shirts 26th of September 2024. That is should be ending sometime around next week. And that is it for all other projects that I have here. So if you have your computer with you, you can decide on your own to just type in a quick memo or demo of any project with your project names and the expected end dates. So I'm going to be calculating the days left for these projects to know if they have actually the dates are long overdue, if they have remaining days or they are expiring, the date is supposed to be overdue today. So with me, just dive in with me as I do the calculations. So I have equal to today, okay, sorry, today, right? And then open bracket and I close the bracket. Next thing I'm going to be doing is to minus the end date from today, from this. So I pick up this I'll pick up this cell here. Okay, that's cell E4. Okay, and I press enter. Mind you, do not worry if you see these hash symbols. Most times what it means is that the numbers or the values in the columns cannot be seen. But this time around, just try to, as you have it this way, just double click, take it down. Okay, so with this, next thing we're going to be doing is to format this. So press Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. That's a shortcut to format this particular range that's already highlighted. Okay, and then go to customs. Here on customs, I'm going to be formatting. What I'm going to do here is to format this format. I want it to appear to tell me if the days are long overdue, let it tell me and color it red. If there are days remaining, let it tell me that so number of days are remaining and color it blue. And then if it is going to be expiring today, let it tell me that it's going to be long overdue today in green. So let's do that. So on this, I'm going to take off this. Sorry. Okay. So I start with red. Remember, I'm using the square bracket. There's a square bracket. Search for it on your keyboard. Red. Okay. Next thing I'm going to be typing is hash. I'll look for hash. With my hash symbol on my system, I've pressed it. I'll start up with what? A quote. That's quote. And I will say this as date overdue. Okay. Sorry, not date overdue. I'm going to be doing that with days overdue. Okay. Okay. That's red. If the days are overdue, let it show me red. That's what I'm doing first. Next, semicolon or semicolon. Okay. Semicolon and then my square bracket. Next color I want is blue. Okay. Square bracket and then hash followed by hash symbol and then another quotations. What I want is for it to show me is days remaining. Okay, how many days remaining? And I close the quotations and I another semicolon for the last stuff, and that's it. The square bracket, make it green. I want the green color this time, and then my hash symbol, and then the next is what I want it to show me, right? So I'll put up the quotations and I say today, right? So what it means is If it is going to be overdue today, let it show me green. Okay. If it's going to be over, if the days are remaining, let it count it and tell me how many days that are remaining. Okay. Because this is number of days. This ash is number of days remaining. You understand? Then number of days, this ash is number of days what overdue. If it is red, number of days overdue. If it is blue, number of days remaining. If it is green, number of days of today. Sure you get. But today is not going to be showing you a number of days. It's just tell you today. All right. So I have these. Once I have these typed on my custom, I press OK. See what happens. All right. Once I've done that, I want to come to this place and expand my column by double clicking. And you are seeing dashboard creation has 66 days remaining to get to what? The end date. Power backup 13th of September. 13th was 2 days ago, right? Showing me 2 days overdue. And then website update monthly. Every month you are meant to update your website, and it's supposed to be by 2nd of September. You are supposed to be checking the website to be sure that it's already updated. And we are at 15th of what September. This is telling us that is 13 days overdue. And that is it to what? How you can quickly track your projects by the end dates. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and click on the bell button so that you get updated when we have new videos that are what? Very educative for you. Thanks.